Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Teach Right Global. My name is Faith. So today I want us to talk about something that needs to be addressed. Have you noticed this? A toddler starts crying in a supermarket. Immediately, the phone appears. Then the crying stops, and everyone breathes a sigh of relief, like, oh, finally, problem solved. Or is it? What if the real problem didn't stop? What if it was simply postponed? Have you witnessed this before? Let's be honest. Many parents have done it. A child is getting restless in church. A child is making noise in a restaurant. A child is about to throw a tantrum in public. And before the situation escalates, out comes the phone. A cartoon starts playing, then the child becomes quiet. Then peace is restored. But let's ask ourselves an important question. Are we teaching the children how to manage emotions, or we are teaching them how to escape these emotions? Children are constantly learning, not just from what we say, but from what we repeatedly do. When every difficult moment is solved with a screen, children may begin to learn that whenever I feel upset, bored, or frustrated, or uncomfortable, I need a device to make it go away. Now think about that for a moment, because emotional regulation is not something children are born to know. It is something they learn, and this learning is slowly and patiently, one experience at a time. Many parents rush to eliminate boredom. But do you know that boredom is not a disease? In fact, boredom often gives birth to imagination, to creativity, problem solving, curiosity. When children have moments with nothing to watch, nothing to swipe, nothing flashing on the screen, their brains begin searching for other ways to engage with the world, and that is healthy development. Now let's talk about public tantrums, because this is where many parents feel trapped. Your child starts screaming, people are staring, you feel embarrassed. You just want the noise to stop. So what do? You hand over the phone. Yes, the crying will stop immediately. But does it really? Because over time, some children begin to learn another lesson. If I protest loudly enough, if I cry loudly enough, if I scream loudly enough, I might get what I want, and they have done this over and over, and it has proven to work for them. And without realizing it, parents can accidentally reward very bad behavior they are trying to stop. Children do not need perfect parents. Honestly, they need present parents. Sometimes what a child needs is a hug, voice, a distraction that doesn't involve the screen, a toy, a story, a conversation, a chance to learn that difficult feelings can be managed without immediately escaping them. Because life will not always provide the screen when things become uncomfortable. I know many adults have learned that. And before anyone feels judged, let's acknowledge something important here. Parenting is hard. Honestly, it is. Parents get tired. Parents get overwhelmed. Imagine a parent with 3 kids, a parent that has deadlines, responsibilities, responsibilities, and a stressful day. This conversation, sincerely, is not about guilt. Rather, it is about awareness. Using a phone occasionally does not make someone a bad parent. The concern begins when the phone becomes the primary solution for every crime, every complaint, every moment of boredom, and every emotional outburst. At Teach Right Global, we encourage parents to ask a simple question: am I helping my child become quiet or helping my child develop? The goal is not just to keep the child quiet, the goal is to help the child develop. You see those two things? They are not the same thing. A child can be quiet and not learning. A child can be entertained and still not be developing emotional resilience. The goal is not to raise children who need a screen to cope with every challenge. The goal is to raise children who can manage emotions, tolerate boredom, interact with people, and engage confidently with the world around them. A phone can silence a tantrum, but it cannot teach patience. A phone can provide entertainment, but it cannot replace emotional coaching. A phone can capture a child's attention, but it should never replace a parent's presence. Because one day, the cartoon will stop, the battery will die, the screen will go dark, and what remains is the emotional foundation we help them build. This is Teach Right Global. Teach better, parents matter.